when it rains, for us motorcyclists, riders, things are bound to get wet. And I'm not talking in between your legs. What we have here is called a Deerma HX10 electrical shoe dryer. It has multiple functions. I found this item on Shopee. So here you see in the settings, it's all in Chinese. I'm not really sure what it says here, but this is the settings that I use. The highest temperature, highest maximum fan. While it has been raining quite tremendously on a daily basis and it's quite unpredictable, your shoes always get wet. So it's very hard to kind of dry your shoes under the sun because it takes a long time and we don't get a proper good long hour sun. So I use this to dry my shoes, my sneakers. It takes about an hour or so. On top of that, it's also quite useful if you were using a helmet during the rain. Usually when the rain wets the lower portion inside, water absorbs in, so it's quite hard to kind of dry your helmet in the sun or take out the comfort cushion out. So I use the Deerma electrical shoe dryer to dry off my helmet. On top of that, as usual, when you ride your motorcycle in the rain, gloves will be one of the first things that gets wet. So I kind of use this Deerma shoe dryer to dry my gloves as well. So there you have it. This is the Deerma electrical shoe dryer. I will put the link to the Shopee below. I hope this review has helped you and maybe this item could be useful to you. So that's good about it. Peace out.